In this video, we get to experience what it feels like to be inside the Audi S3 8V2. Is this and the Golf 7R still enough in 2026? I say it's one of the most, if not the best, value for money cars for the price range and power delivery for a daily driver. For a 2017 car, I think it still holds its fair share in the hot hatch segment. Ride with me and tell me if you agree. So guys, I think part of my video today is just a bit different. I want to kind of present what it feels like. I'll kind of show you guys what it feels like to be inside an Audi S3. I think a lot of people have this misconception that the car is, not fun in any way. So I think from this POV, you guys would have seen that that is not the case. I think street car cars can still be fun, enough power. So just to recap, stock numbers: 228 kilowatts or 310 horsepower, 400 newton meters of torque. It's quite sufficient power. I think you guys will obviously be the judge. What I like about this one is the spice. Definitely has the spice. These are stock numbers. Stock numbers. But the other thing is you can still use this car as a daily. Put it on comfort, efficiency mode. Even when it's not on full sport mode and just change to normal dynamic, it still feels, like a normal road car. So basically it's like you're driving the A3, so to say. So I think that's the other thing that you need if, you're not craving some vrpa. You can just sit back, relax, and enjoy your car as is, So I think that's the other part that I like about it. But it's very it's very unusual that you'll find me in not a sport mode. So I do get it. I think when you hear people saying don't buy a second-hand sports car, nobody buys these things to drive them in normal mode or efficiency mode in most of the time. So yeah, I think that's about it. I think part of this series as well is I just want to go through with you some of the things that I think you should know about owning a car like this. What are the usual maintenance, cost of running, that kind of a thing. So yeah, we'll touch on those things. First things first, the fuel price of these. Full tank is about, there's another S3. Full tank is about 1.3 for me. Maybe 1.4 if it's like empty. This turbo noises. Just, yeah, no, it's a fun car to drive. Ooh, there's an Aston Martin, guys. Check that out. Still looks nice. Here's that Aston Martin. It's a Rapide S. Sounds good. I don't know if it's like a V8 or this thing slams, man. This guy with the Raptors, guys, people are living out here. Check how those things sound. One with a Porsche.